Hello, everyone. My name is Joanne, and I'm one of your coaches here in Usana. So, ang video natin for today is to teach you how to set up your subscribe and save order. So, ang tawag natin dito before is auto order, wherein you're going to set up the products that you need to for your family and for yourself. And at the same time, what you need in order for you to share it to your clientele, may it be a user, a retailer, or someone who is doing or building the business. So, ano ba yung purpose ng subscribe and save, no? Ang goal nito is for you to have your 10% discount. Of course, yung privilege mo as part of Usana, being a brand partner of Usana. And at the same time, in order for you to share it, so nakuha mo ng discounted, pwede mong i-share kahit na ng brand partner's price, no? Meron ka pa rin profit. So ngayon, I'm giving you a quick tour sa ating hub, and at the same time, how you will be able to share or how you will be able to actually do your subscribe and save. Ayan, no? So, first time ko ulit gumawa ng video. So, ayan. I hope you are still with me until the end para mapakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan ang ating hub. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba siya? Okay. So, you have your ID number and your password. So, you just have to log in. And then, after that, you just need to check out, no? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting tour sa hub na yon kasi nagkaroon na tayo ng bagong system, no? There are now new compensation plan that was actually implemented last October 11 and nakikita na rin yun sa hub. Fully implemented na siya sa hub. Alright. So, ayan. Abracadabra. Lalabas na rin siya. Okay. So, ayan, as you can see, ito yung landing page natin, pero makikita nyo agad dito yung mga product. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, we have the nutritionals. Nutritionals are actually our flagship product, the Essentials and other optimizers. We have the protein shakes bars, we have the Nutri-Meal, we have the Detox Team Mix, diba? And other healthy living, we have our oral care products, our toothpaste, skincare, our Celavive, no? And improved Celavive lineup natin yan. Of course, the business tools, Usana Gear, yung mga tumbler, etc. And if you want to donate to our Usana Foundation, meron din tayong portion dyan. So, you can be actually a preferred customer or a brand partner. It depends upon your choice. So, ngayon, andito na tayo. I'm going to open my or I'm going to click down this portion, the one with my name. So makikita nyo, you can go to the manage auto order if you want to set up your subscribe and save. So yan siya. Okay. For me, I have two alternating subscribe and save setup. Pero just to give you an example or for the purpose or illustration of example, ito yung subscribe and save ko for this week. So I choose dalawang Essentials, dalawang Purest, isang Policy, isang Usanimas. You can click edit in order for you to check out. If you, for example, gusto mong bilhin yung product for next week, you have to set it up this week. So ang tanong, pwede ba ako makapag-set up every single week? The answer is yes. Just make sure na meron kang 100 points minimum setup for your cycle. Pero if you want, malakas ka talagang mag-move ng product, no? Pwedeng-pwede mong gawin to. You can always set up, no, your subscribe and save. So pwede kang mag-create ng address kung saan ipapadala yung product and diretso na siya sa client mo. Or you can also pick it up in the nearest office around your area. We have office in Davao, in Cebu, and here in Makati. So ako madalas, pinipick up ko sa office since I always attend trainings and also go to the office to meet clients, no, and meet mentors, etc. And don't forget to save your order. So ganyan lang siya, kasimple, no? You just search the product in this bar, no? For example, you want to add Essentials, just type sell, and then lalabas na yung Essentials together with the price and together with the volume. The volume is the points. Ganun din sa ibang product. Alright? So, no? One business center you can actually set up 200 points. So ako, naka 200 points ako every single month because ang aking tindahan or business centers na bukas sa Usana ay 4. Right? So if you want to learn more about it, we can have a one-on-one Zoom session in order for me to teach you about it. So ayan, no? Ang ganda ba? This is the first one. So now let's navigate the hub. Okay, so the hub is a very important tool that you can use in order for you to do your Usana business. No? So ang good thing is the flexibility that this business can offer is very huge and immense. That even though you're traveling, even though you're, let's say for example, at your home or kahit nasaan ka, you can still do the business. The business is up and active. Once you just enroll, no? 30 minutes lang after, you can already have the entire globe as your market. Of course, no, yung meron tayong 24 countries na available ang Usana. So once you join, you will have your account, your name, and your unique ID number. All right? And then we have these 3 important income sources. You have the base commission, which will be computed based on the group sales volume. No? Kung ano yung na-produce ng sales mo sa left team mo and sa right team mo. And I just want to announce to everyone, no, na-enjoy ko na to since June. Ayan, the new sales bonus we're in for every new brand partner that you will actually share Usana with. Agad-agad meron ka na kaagad 10% ng points na kikitain mo. So for example, ako, I'm going to share this to one of my friends. Ang name niya is, let's say for example, Laika. Laika get 200 points worth of product. Meron na kaagad akong $20. That would be credited into my bank account next week. So lahat yon. Kaya every single sharing that you will do, especially with the product, will be rewarded. May katapat siyang income. And of course, you have your matching bonus. The good news is if you are a brand new partner of Usana, you can either earn $50 on your first month, $100 on your second month, and $150 on your third month. A total of $300. O, di ba? Panalo na as a part-time. So, marami na rin nangyari dyan. Makikita nyo dito. Going down, you have this as your points. You have the Paysetter. Kung sino mga nagrarun ng Paysetter, that is 1,600 points per brand new partner. Sino mga yung mga nag-cancel, on hold, and mga bagong associate. And of course, yung mga malapit ng Tsuneke. Plus everything that you can see, the spotlight product, and your next auto order. And the good news is for the leadership bonus ngayon, no, just help your brand partner hit their rank advancement, especially director. No, even on the 3rd level, you will be given the privilege to have the leadership bonus. Malaki yan, no? So kaya excited kaming tulungan yung mga tao under the organization. So ayan, basically, and of course, you can market into different parts of the world. Kaya napakaganda ng ating company, no? Because even though you're at home, you can still share it to your friends in Thailand, in USA, in Canada, in Europe, and everything. Masipag ka lang talaga mag-present at mag-share. No, hindi naman hard sell lang niya sana because you have the very best product in the market. So hindi mahirap i-share ang product na the best na. Tama? Hindi mo siya ibebenta, i-share mo lang siya and the product will do its miracle. No, its job to really perform. No? Ayan, and by the way, ayan, I would just like to invite you on upcoming regional convention on January. That will be on January 29 to 31 sa Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. No, that is actually one of the cheapest country that I've actually been with. And if you are interested to come with us, see the bigger picture of Usana, and ngayon gusto mo makita and to start your Usana business this time, no, let's go abroad and check it out. Makikita nyo dito na hindi lang yung mga tao dito sa Philippines ang nagbe-benefit, even all over the world, ano yung mga stories nila and how they actually make their Usana business a success. So yun lang. I hope you learned a lot from this. I'll be doing a lot of videos very soon. No? I'll just share it to the team para magkaroon kayo ng idea how you will be able to maximize your Usana business. So with that, no, thank you so much for your time watching this. And I do hope na makita-kita tayo one of these days for catch up and also for us to maximize this business. So thank you so much, everyone. This has been your coach, Miss Joanne Lois Tobias, your soon-to-be Diamond Director. Bye! God bless!